Shiba Inu coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. We're seeing quite some volatility in the markets, potentially an executive order that is going to send crypto to the absolute moon. We're going to be talking about all this. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, we are going to look at Shiba Inu, and right now we are breaking down beneath this bullish trend line. I do not like to see breaking below basically this peak here. It was support, and we are breaking below it, but when you look closely, it doesn't look good, you know, and you look at market cipher as well, you're starting to see money flow turn red. But guys, I've got some hopium for you, okay? When I look at the majority of altcoins right now, a lot of them are putting in this double bottom type of formation where we got this big wick here. We could come down to say right about here around 401878, and I think that this could be intact. Now, if we wick down to that level and we spill over, obviously, if we don't hold that level and we get a big impulse bounce off of that, then I'll say, okay, I'm leaning a little bit more bearish. But guys, we have the first crypto president of the world now, and there are some very interesting executive orders getting signed. And I do think that there's going to be a lot of volatility coming into this market, and we can see it playing out. I'm going to be taking a look at Bitcoin later on in this video, and it's playing out exactly as I predicted, and we're going to talk about that. But if you guys think that there's going to be volatility in the market as well, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. This is a limited time offer. Take advantage of this. Even if you don't want to trade right now, you want to trade a year from now, then you'll be grandfathered into that 15% off to all trading fees. So take advantage of it, because guys, I do think that we are in for quite some volatility here. We are in phase 3 of this bull market cycle, and every single phase 3 of the bull market in the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin is always the most volatile, the most trappy, the most confusing. So, but did I miss something? But also has the most gains. So do not forget that. Also, check out crypto.com. It's a great place to on-ramp and off-ramp when you want to take those profits out of crypto into your bank account. Use crypto.com as well. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu here. Rank 17, down 13.43% in the past 7 days and down 1.24% past 24 hours. Guys, it is incredible. You look at this, and we're seeing big sell-offs on the weeklies. It's pretty significant across all altcoins. You look at Shiba Inu at $11.59 billion, officially below $12 billion, guys, and basically a $500 million 24-hour volume. You don't like to see the volume increasing as the price is coming down. You want to see the volume increasing as the price is going up, guys. So it does look a little bit bearish in the short term here. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say Fox News, Fox, the publication. Trump order on crypto to develop national digital asset stockpile. So yes, guys, today the crypto president has signed an executive order saying that the U.S. will start a stockpile of crypto digital assets. So now that is not only just Bitcoin. We need to get some clarity on what exactly they're going to be stockpiling. Hopefully it's not just meme coins, but if you're a Shiba Inu bull, then you should be getting excited. I do think that this does not just mean Bitcoin. I think that this means probably Bitcoin, Ethereum, other large caps. And guys, Shiba Inu is a large cap. No, I'm not saying that they're going to start stockpiling Shiba Inu. I don't think that that's going to happen. But I do think that we are in the right direction here to start talking about maybe meme coin basket ETFs. I think that that could be a potential thing. You know, instead of buying the S&P 500, people might be buying a basket of, say, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Pepe. That could be a thing. I do think that we're probably going to see some ETF applications come in because, guys, we did just see a Dogecoin ETF application get put in the other day. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at $103,000, up about 1% on the day. But, guys, Bitcoin dominance is stealing the show here at 57.67%. When you exclude stablecoins, 59.67%, my friends. That's what I've been saying. You know, I've been saying this for a while, that if this Bitcoin strategic reserve actually happens here and the U.S. and these other countries across the globe start creating a digital arms race, trying to buy as much Bitcoin as they can, I expect Bitcoin dominance to rally, and I expect altcoins to suffer in the meantime. But I will say, I think Bitcoin's poised to go up here. I'm going to show you where my invalidations are. But if Bitcoin goes up, which I think it will here, I think we're getting ready to see our next leg up. Altcoins may suffer for the time being, but guys, I do expect some altcoins to perform very, very well. My line in the sand here right now is a weekly candle closure below right about here at $101,000. Any weekly candle closure below that, I would say, hey guys, we should be worried here. The risk is to the downside. But we have 2 days and 22 hours left. If we can close above 103,000, right where we're at about now, honestly, anywhere above 103K is fine, 101K is fine, excuse me. But 103K would definitely be more bullish, especially when you look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame, I want to see $103,000 candle closures, and it does. The daily looks much more bearish. It looks like we need to spill over a little bit here. We have a red dot on market cipher as well on the momentum wave below the 60 line. Probably looking like we need to spill over on the daily a little bit, you know, chop around a little bit. Maybe we're going to continue to chop in this formation for a couple more months. But I really am still behind the idea. If you've been watching the Crypto Report, you guys know I've been saying mid-February, guys. Mid-February, we're going to have a much clearer idea of where we're at here. I'm saying maybe in the next 2 weeks or so, we'll know if we are getting ready to do new all-time highs, engulf this huge wick we saw to the upside that made a new all-time high. That was just an impulse wave, liquidity, grab, stop loss hunt, whatever you want to call it. We'll see if we get that or if we have to consolidate for a little while bit longer. And I do think that we will have much clearer ideas of where we're going mid-February. So a couple more weeks away, guys. Just be patient. There's lots of volatility to take advantage of. If you want to be leverage trading, like I said, 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime account on Blowfin. Pin comment or description box below. But that's all I really got for you guys on this. Go follow me, 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours, I'll give one of you guys $1,000. I'm going to keep doing this until I give the money away. So it's going to happen at some point. But guys, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that these executive orders really are just going to send crypto to the absolute moon immediately? Or is it going to take some time? I think that there's a good chance that it plays out much like how the Bitcoin SPY ETFs played out. The Bitcoin SPY ETFs got approved. We got a little bit of a bounce, and then bam, we got swatted down for like, I think it was like 2 weeks or maybe even a month or so. And then we finally were off to the races and saw quite a nice recovery. But let me know in the comments section below what you think about that. That's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.